Hello students, myself Safdar Hayat for mathematics. Today we will discuss an interesting and important topic of the chapter permutation and combination 11th class. How to find total number of words using all the letters of a word. For example, if we have three letters A, B, C and we want three letter words using these three letters. So total number of words will be 3 factorial because it has three letters and all three letters are different. A, B, C, three letters. So total number of words will be 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. N factorial means product of first n natural numbers. 5 factorial means product of 5 natural numbers. Okay. 5 4 ja 20, 23 ja 60, 62 ja 120 and 121 ja 120. Okay. Similarly, if we want 4 factorial, it means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24 and 24 1 ja 24. So 4 factorial means 24. So it is easy to understand factorial notation. Okay. N factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, 3 into 2 into 1. So if we have 3 letters or 4 letters or 5 letters and all these letters are different, then total number of words will be factorial 3 or factorial 4 or factorial 5. For example, we have a word Sonu, S-O-N-U. Sonu word has 4 letters and all 4 letters are different. So total number of words which will be made using all the letter of the word Sonu will be factorial 4 will be 24. Factorial 4 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 4 factorial which is 24. Okay. See, here all letters will be different. If we see practically, then total number of words will be 3 factorial means 6. These 6 words will be first A, B, C, A, C, B, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, C, B, A. Okay, it is easy to show because these letters are only 3. But if it is 4 or 5 or 6, then it will be difficult. Okay, if we have a word aap in which a letter is repeated, okay, aap, AAP, Aam Aadmi Party, okay, then how many total words will be made using all the letters AAP? Okay, then it will be factorial 3, 1, 2, 3, but divided by repeated letters AA 2 times, so divided by 2 factorial. 3 factorial means 6 as 3 into 2 into 1 and 2 factorial means 2, so divided by 2, 3. Only 3 words will be made. Practically AAP, APA, PAA. Only these 3 words will be made. If we exchange A here and this A here, then same word will be made. So it counts once. Okay. Similarly, if we have a word corona, C-O-R-O-N-A, corona, then total number of words will be made C-O-R-O-N-A. Then how many words can be made using all the letters of the word corona. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 factorial, but divided by 2 factorial because of O is twice. So divided by 2, then 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 gets cancelled, and 6 5s are 30 and 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 3, 6 and 0 as it is 360. Okay, if we have a word COVID, COVID, then total number of words using all the letters of the word COVID will be factorial 5 or 5 factorial, because this has only 5 letters and all letters are different. 1 2 3 4 5 factorial, then 5 into 4 into 3 into 1, so will be 120. 5 4s are 20, 23 are 60 and 62 are 120, 121 are 120. So total number of words will be 120. If we have a word India, okay, India, then how many words can be made? INDIA, India. Okay, then how many words can be made using all the letters of the word India? Will be 1 2 3 4 5 factorial 5 divided by, we have 5 letters out of which 2 are identical. I and I are same, so divided by 2 factorial, then 5 factorial is 120 and 2 factorial is 2, then 60. So total word which are meaningful or meaningless will be 60. Okay, if we have a word banana, 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 then total number of words will be made using all the letters of the word banana will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 factorial, and divided by, A is thrice, A 3 times and N 2 times, so divided by 3 factorial and 2 factorial. So 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, divided by 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 2 into 1 gets cancelled and 3 2 is 6 gets cancelled, 5 4 is 20, 23 is 60. So total number of words will be made 60 using all the letter of the word banana. Okay, similarly, if we have a last word mathematics, okay, MATHEMATICS, mathematics. We know mathematics word has 11 letters. Okay, total letters are 11, in which M repeated twice and A 2 times, also T 2 times. Okay, any other repeated? No. So total number of words using all the letter of the words mathematics will be 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. It is difficult to calculate because 11 factorial is a big quantity, 11 into 10 into 9, 8 and so on. Okay, so if we make a formula, what is formula? Total number of n letter words in which P letters are alike of first kind and q letters are alike of second kind and r letters are alike of third kind, then total number of words will be made n factorial, because total number of letters are n, divided by p factorial, as p letter are alike of one kind, similarly divided by q factorial divided by r factorial. It is a formula. Okay, hope understand easily. Thank you.